Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a salad cutter from Royal Catering. Well, a device perfect for any venue that cuts salad a lot, like a salad bar or a salad section, a hotel or a buffet. So let me show you how it works. So basically what you have to do is just take a salad, the whole head of it, put it on the cutting surface and just push it down. And, well, you end up with perfectly cut salads. To show you the single parts, let me disassemble it. So in order to do that, for cleaning or maintenance purposes, just pull this pin, take this pin out, just like that. This releases the lever handle and gives you access to the pusher. The pusher just slides on these two guiding rods, so all you have to do is just lift it up, and this is basically a solid piece of aluminium. So in order to clean it, just have a quick brush, put it in the dishwasher, sanitize it, and that's all you need to do. Now you have access to the cutting unit. In order to take this out, there's actually two latches, so you have to take these off. Just like that, just slides right off, and the cutting unit sits on two bolts right here on the left and right corner. So you have to sort of unlock it, and this also you can put in a dishwasher. The blades are stainless steel and they're serrated for a better and smoother cut. The whole frame is aluminium, and there's another cool feature, namely you can take the blades out and exchange them or sharpen them or whatever you need to do. Basically, there's also the whole cutting unit on offer to buy separately. So what you're left with is just the aluminium frame. When you store it away or when you don't need it, you can disassemble the legs. Just for additional safety, they have rubber feet, so they stand solid on the workbench. Alright, so that's pretty much it if it comes to this device. Very easy to use, very easy to clean and maintain, and there's a few safety features. Really come in handy where you need a lot of salad to be cut. If you need any vegetable cutters, onion cutters, fruit or tomato, just make sure you have a look at the website. There's a variety of those devices, so you'll definitely find the one that you need. If it comes to this one, it comes with a 3-year warranty, and it will be delivered in a really sturdy cardboard with a really snug fit, so it won't rattle around during transport and will be safe and sound during the journey. So no matter what the delivery guy does to it, it will stay safe. Also inside you will find the user's manual. Please have a read. There's a lot of useful information on how to clean the device, how to operate, how to assemble first of all. So definitely a good read. If you're about to equip your kitchen or a salad bar or any gastronomical venue, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other devices you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.